everyone. So today I am going to make a short video. This year for Christmas, I have been making my clients at work, I make them candy jars. And this was an idea I got a couple of years ago, and I started saving all of my candle jars that were like from Bath and Body Works or Goose Creek, or sometimes they were Walmart, sometimes they were candles I got at Ross. But if the glass was really pretty, I would save the lid and the glass with this picture in my mind that I was going to make really pretty candy jars out of them. So at the beginning of the season, I start making my jars roughly around September because I have so many to make, and I was at a blank. I didn't know what to do. And so I started going through YouTube to see if anybody had, any cool ideas. And that's kind of when I got myself in trouble and started doing these DIYs with Dollar Tree stuff. And since then I've gone crazy and I need to stop because honestly, it's actually really addicting. But anyway, I'm making these candy jars, and so I couldn't find really anything there was a couple videos that I liked, but for the most part, I've kind of just had to do it on my own. But in that regard, there is a way to clean out your jars. And so I kind of played with different techniques, and this is the best technique I have found that works for me, that gets the jar really, clean and gets that wax out of there. So I'm going to share a video with you today on how to remove the wax from your candle jars or glass or whatever if you want to reuse them, repurpose them for anything. So that's what this video is about. It's going to be short. I hope you enjoy. And then following that, in the next few days, I will make a video on how I made one of my candy jars, and then you guys can kind of go from there, making your own. So with that said, if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell if you want a notification every time I download a video. I hope that you give me a big thumbs up for sharing my secret and showing you how I do this. And thank you again for watching. God bless, and let's do this. Fill your jar with the lid with hot, soapy water using dish liquid of some sort. Get the hottest water possible, put the lid back on, and let it cool. You will probably have to do this 2 or 3 times. After that, you take the water and you can see that the wax has popped up into there. You just pull the piece of wax out. It's got the wicks and everything in it. Throw that away. And then you're just going to want to take that water and dump it out. I then soak it in some warm water in a bowl in the sink so that I may remove the labels. And then you can put it through the dishwasher and get it as clean as possible, and you're ready to go with your craft. And there you go. There's some ideas of things that I have done with my empty candle jars. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.